Metrobank Foundation recently honored the outstanding Filipino workers and conferred the much-coveted Tower Awards to 5 stringently selected winners from among the 100 of candidates. Angel Cordova has their story.
The Aquino administration supports a project that acknowledges the extraordinary dedication and skills of ordinary workers through the Outstanding Workers of the Republic or the Tower Awards, an annual nationwide search of exceptional Filipino workers. Led by the Presidential Communication Operations Office, Secretary Sonny Coloma, the awardees were carefully screened and interviewed by a distinct board of judges. At the end, 5 victors were chosen out of a pool of 60 nominees from across the country.
Sila ang nagpapatakbo ng gulong ng industriya, ng pangalakal, ng service industry. No? At kapag sila ay naging mahusay, no? At naitaas nila yung kalidad ng kanilang skills, no? At services, nagiging mas competitive ang ating ekonomiya. No? Tumataas din ang quality ng ating products and services. Kaya napapanahon at angkop itong programa ng Rotary Club of Manila at ng Metrobank Foundation na tinutulungan ng ating pamahalaan.
Different institutions converged for this event, such as the People Management Association of the Philippines, the Department of Labor and Employment, Rotary Club of Manila, and the Metrobank Foundation, which funded the event.
Kailangan natin sa ating bansa ng mga istorya na nagbibigay ng pag-asa. We believe that we want to share a message of hope na tayong mga Pinoy hindi dapat magkaroon ng kawalang pag-asa sa ating bansa.
Mapalad din kami sapagkat sa taong ito, binigyan kami ng Secretary Sonny Coloma at ng kanyang staff ng Presidential Communication Operations Office at siyempre, dahil ang sakawin ng galing sa Department of Labor and Employment, makumbinsin natin si Secretary Baldos na magbigay ng suporta sa atin pong malawakang paghahanap ng mga manggagawa na pwede nating makonsider na outstanding workers of the Republic.
Napakahalaga nito para ma-boost naman ang moral ng ating mga manggagawa. At siyempre, pag nagtsatsaga kasi yung trabaho, meron reward na matatanggap.
The awardees were overjoyed. The acknowledgement also inspired them to strive better at their jobs and continue to contribute to our growing economy.
Sobrang saya po, sir. Kasi di lang ako nakilala sa dito o sa mga kasama ko, maging sa buong mundo.
Ito ay isang pagpapatunay ng pagbibigay ng importansya sa mga katulad namin manggagawa. Lalo na po ako bilang late na nag-start na mag-work, it's an affirmation na kaya pala. Basta mag-aral lang mabuti, magtapos ng pag-aaral, at ito yung magiging sandata mo.
This is Angel Cordova for News at 1, Junior Edition.